Want giant, thriving plants, without relying on synthetic chemicals? Seedling, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 absolutely insane, all-natural fertilizers that will supercharge your garden and transform your soil into a nutrient-rich paradise. Let's grow big organically. First up, bone meal. Don't let the name scare you. This fine, white powder is packed with phosphorus and calcium. These nutrients are essential for building strong roots and fueling those bright, beautiful blooms. Bone meal works wonders for root vegetables like carrots, radishes, and beets, and it's a favorite for roses, too. How to use. Mix a small handful directly into the planting hole, or sprinkle it around established plants and lightly work it into the top layer of soil. Water well, and let nature take care of the rest. Next, don't toss those banana peels. Turn them into a nutrient-rich liquid gold. Banana peels are full of potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. All key to strong stems, sweet fruits, and vibrant blooms. How to use. Just soak banana peels in water for 2 to 3 days. The result? Banana peel tea. Pour it around the base of fruiting plants like tomatoes, chilies, and peppers once a week. Your plants will thank you. Now for one of the best natural fertilizers of all time, worm castings. Yep, it's worm poop. But don't be grossed out, this stuff is garden magic. It's full of nutrients, beneficial microbes, and organic matter that improves soil structure and boosts immunity. How to use. Mix worm castings into your potting soil, or just top dress around your garden plants every few weeks. It's like giving your soil a probiotic boost. Fourth, fish emulsion. Yes, it smells like low tide, but it's loaded with nitrogen. That means fast, lush, leafy growth, perfect for spinach, kale, lettuce, and all your leafy greens. How to use. Dilute it with water according to the instructions on the bottle, and apply every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Pro tip, use it early in the morning or evening to avoid odor in the heat. And finally, eggshells. These household leftovers are a slow but steady source of calcium. That's crucial to prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini. How to use. Rinse and dry the shells, crush them finely with a mortar and pestle or blender, and mix them into the soil, or sprinkle them around the base of your plants. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a garden buddy, and tell us, what's your go-to organic fertilizer in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to The Soil Story for more smart, natural gardening tips. Let's grow together.